The noise would start around 45, so now I'm almost at 60. No noise. Fixed. And I know they had asked me $650 to fix it, and it cost me less than. Welcome, y'all. DIY-Elie here. We're gonna attempt to remove the front wheel bearing on this 2011 Nissan Murano here. With that being said, let me put this out there. I'm not a professional. I am not a mechanic. I'm just a DIYer. Certain things I see or I feel like I can do, I just do. So this is just me showing you how I do. I'm not teaching anybody how to do anything. This is just me showing you how I do. You know what I'm saying? So let's do this. So now we're gonna remove these two bolts right here. This one and that one at the bottom. So we can pull the whole brake caliper out of there. Now it's a matter of removing this right here so you can take the rotors out, so you can get to what you actually want to pull out. Make sure you don't lose that. That's important. Just a little shaking here, you'll be able to remove the rotors. All right, so because I'm going to need to remove these screws, those two and over here, the caliper and this thing here gonna be on the way. So I found a way. They do have that little hook thing you could use to just hook it up right up here. So I'm gonna tie it up instead. Hopefully I don't drop this. All right, next we gotta remove this ABS sensor that's right over here. All right, this is a 32 millimeter socket to remove this right over here. Yeah, it's not that easy. That didn't work, so let's try this. All right, so I'm literally using this. This is my workout stuff, so I can kind of lock the wheel in place to be able to remove this. Let's see if that'll work. Oh, that was actually pretty fast. Yeah, that was easier than I thought it would be. Now for the big thing right here. Now I'm going to remove those two. And there are two down here. They gotta be removed from the other side. All right, just trying to get the first one. Let's see about the second one. This one is quite difficult. I'm just trying to see if I can slowly. Oh, I think I got it. Yeah. I think I got it. Yep. Got you, sucker. Two down. Now I'm gonna turn the wheel the other way. That way I can get to the other two. Yeah, this is a little harder than I thought it'd be. But hey, that's what happened when you're not I guess, what you would call a professional. I think this will get it though. Okay. Looks like I finally got it. Jesus. Oh, that's good. Got it. I'm showing you all of these steps because to show you that it ain't no easy work. I mean, it's not hard, but it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3, you know. All right, now to remove the real bearing. Now I've seen a lot of people use different methods, and it takes a long time. I didn't want to take a whole lot of time, so I went and bought this 3-jaw puller right here. Hopefully, it'll be able to help me to pull it out quicker than I've seen some people do it. So let's see. All right, it took me a long time to pull this thing out, and I ain't gonna lie to you. This helped a little, but I had to use the hammer here to kind of like hit it out. All right, let's look at the old and the new one here. As you can see, yeah, this thing was done. They look the same, really. And the new one looks like this on this side. And look at that. Jesus. That is pretty bad. Yep. So let's go and install the new one. All right, so be sure one of these holes right here align with this, because when you go to put that back in, if it's not aligned, you won't be able to put, it won't fit. So make sure it's aligned with that. Oops, I forgot to put this. You see that? That's what happened, man. When you're doing something for the first time. Now reattach the ABS sensor. It is important now to make sure that everything you unscrewed or you took out, you put back in, or you reinstall the correct way. Otherwise, yeah, that could be a huge issue. And after this, I basically repeat the same process on the other side to remove the other real bearing. All right, so now let's take this thing for a spin to see how it feels. The noise would start around 45, so now I'm almost at 60. No noise, fixed. And I know they had asked me $650 to fix it, and it cost me less than $200. I'm very happy about that. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you don't miss any of my videos, man. Appreciate y'all. Peace.